The Hierophant. In positive moments, this card for today tells you that you will be ready to establish new rules for yourself and for your surrounding. You really want to change your life for better, and you are tired to live by rules of other people, and you understand that only you can change your life and only you can establish right rules, correct rules for you and for your environment, where you will feel yourself good and everything will be understandable for you, and you will feel like the Hierophant in your environment, and people in your surroundings will follow your ideas and will stick to your rules. In negative moments, this card can tell you that you can be a little bit selfish. Well, maybe not so a little bit, but you will begin everything from yourself, and you try to place yourself for first position in everywhere, in any deal, in any action. And sometimes it's not so good if you work, for example, in a team, and you need to collect ideas from other people around you. And also in negative moments, this card can tell you that you don't want to accept other opinion, and you will decide that only your rules are correct, and you will not pay attention to other people, and it can be it can have negative influence, maybe not only for today actions and different things in your life, and maybe in future. That's why you need to be careful with rules, and maybe to create and work out your rules more thoroughly.